Hi everyone. I wish you a very happy new year 2022, and hopefully we get rid of the COVID situation in this year. So I pray for that for every one of us, right? And let's start with it. I know 2 weeks have been too busy here at Ashram, and so just would like to show this was the opening. So this is the ashram Jain temple which got opened up, and so now the ashram is converted into a tirth, and it's called Sri Dharampur Tirth from now on. So this is what I was here to witness and be part of it. So this is the entire temple. It's almost having a sitting capacity of more than 5,000 people, right? So this is a huge Derasal which has been built here in Ashram. So let's start. Okay, I'll come to Nifty. So Nifty is around 17,400. Now this seems to be a little bit dicier now the story, because if you look at it, we are around 54 on RSI. Here we are at around gap resistance. So if you clearly see, this is the gap down and we are at gap resistance. So if we are able to cross this, we might touch 17,700. Else we are at resistance. There is another level of resistance here also. So if I draw a line here, right? So this, this level and this, there is quite a resistance that we are with Nifty currently on daily, right? So this is one of the, you can see resistances around. There is also gap support here around 17,100. So 17,100 can be the, we can say the lower side, as well as 17,700 can be one of the higher side in this week, and this can be the range. Okay, so let's see what the market does. Weekly, it's evening, morning star, but that morning star though is at support at lower BD, but it is at resistance of 20 MA on weekly, price resistance as well. If you see this here and the same line here, and it's also below 60. Okay, so this can be another sign of a sideways thing. So let's see that as well. And monthly shows good CIP at this level, and a hammer, or you can say doji, at price support, as well as if you just count body to body, bullish harami as well. So now it needs to cross the high of the month, which is 17,688, or which again I said 17,700 can be the range. So once it crosses that, you can expect it to cross around 17,850 or maybe 18,100. So that is another levels, but let's first cross 17,700 is what my view would be. Okay, so this is where we are with Nifty right now. So it looks to be, a range bound movement on daily and weekly basis. Monthly still shows okay, and let's also see this. So there is a breakout on trend line, but I would like to still see some further movement on the upside, because price resistance is also there. Price as well as RSI resistance would be there. Okay, so let's see what the market does in the coming week. Okay, so let me write down. So I'm not much away. I think this was 13th of December, and this is today. So nothing much there. Okay. So again, this is morning star is there, but at MA20 resistance, lower band support. Monthly shows positive candle, so it's a Harami, as I said, candle to candle, or you can say doji or a hammerish situation. So just say some positive candle. Okay. So positive candle at CI. This is for your resistance, yes, 700 or 750. Okay, so that is one level. That remains same, and this will also remain same. Okay, I think I can add. So this is going to be support. That is the gap support here. Okay, so that's where we are with Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also same. See, if you look at it, it's at gap resistance and price resistance. But the good part is we now have, somewhere crossover of 40. So whether this is a false crossover or what, we'll come to know tomorrow. Okay, second thing is there is also bullish divergence here. So one leg of W has been completed is what I can see, 24, and this is 26. And if you look at it, the W something like this. So we still have some space for it. Okay, so target one would be somewhere here. Okay, so 36, 300 or 200. 36, 200 is the target one of this W. Okay, and then would be 37, 800. Okay, that will also coincide with 60 on this. So let's see whether it does that or not. And support lies immediately at 35,000. So we need to see whether we have any upside movement or not. Now. So let's see now weekly. GK bar, there is a bullish engulfing at support. There is a gap resistance. So we need to now see what it does here. It's a doji around 60. So the low breaks, short will trigger. If the low breaks, the short will trigger and it might take it till 30,500. There's going to be huge potential on the downside as well. So let's see. So it's a very tricky situation here. Okay. Bearish candle fail, followed by a doji below 60. Okay. So if the low breaks, eventually you'll see this. Okay. So this can be one of the targets if there is a short trade triggering. And if we cross a high of this, which is 37,900, or that is what we saw even on daily charts, then there is chances of this going a little bit higher. Okay, then we might come back to this, but it's only if the high is crossed. So wait and watch. Let the doji high or low be broken. So support is initiated 3500. This is how let's see the other indices now. So see, finally there is a breakout on this. So it shows good movement. So bandwalk started. It's got a new all-time high by the way. But the only reason they are cautious is 88, 88.92. So 88.95, 88.92. So there is some sort of bearishness now here also, but let's see whether it confirms or not. It looks to be okay to me. I don't find this much dangerous. 38,700. So this stocks are doing good. So, we again have a diamond index with us. So IT comes another one. So it's again a diamond index. It's good, you know. Support below 16 and 9 resist. So those are the see what it does. So reality again is showing some sign of it's infra looks okay. It's good Doji at also morning star. So it's similar to Nifty actually. So this is similar to Nifty at 20 MA resistance. So let's see what it does. FMCG bounce from 40 on the square. No resistance so far here. Let's 38,200, so it will come up. This is also okay. G at 60. So FMCG has a chance to bounce. It's a Doji at 60. At 37,580. So it was bounce from 40 support. So price support. So this is more better than a morning star. Also bounced. At 60. Let's see. So there is now an approach to 60. So let's see what it does. It's become about 20 MA. So there is a chance it will come back to 14,700. Bandwalk about 60. So this is looking good. Here also it took 60 support and CIB. So it's a hammer like bullish candle. So this sector is looking good. This has got no interest. 60 resistance might be at weekly. Okay, let's move to the last one. So Auto also has got a morning star on blue sash. For a long time. There's a blue sash on Auto. Also 60 support and nothing wrong. 10, 9, still around the same level. seems that we might get some buy calls on auto. IT will have to see. Pharma is possible. So let's see now the stocks as well. Let's go to the stocks. Start with, let's see, this is so I'm just taking for this is the 60 and so that is 221 and 220. There's no, let's go to breakout on this. Yes, it does a breakout on this. About 24, 26. Okay, so this again shows some support on monthly, but there is PMA resistance around. So let's see. Can we buy about 24.20 about this? There's a gap resistance also. Needs to fill the gap before we buy it. So that will can be a short trade on this. tested almost 60 on daily. So lever can be both side. Check this resistance. Nifty 85 के ऊपर जाएगा तभी बाय कर सकते हैं इसको. Then the bandwalk starts. Sure, we cross 60 by then. So let it be. Call on this one. I want it to cross 60. So जाने दो. ये अच्छा सिग्नल है. By the way, it's a 40 crossover after a bull piercing pattern, and then there is a back-to-back positive candle. This looks good, but I would wait. The weekly is looking good, but maybe your daily is at 60 resistance, so a little bit of resistance. So let's avoid it. Resistance पे अटका है. That's the high. 60 resistance on weekly. 61, 60. I see a rate. It's got best directions. Reaching point can be a buy if crosses 34.20 and can expect at least 65. So 72. So Doji above 60. It's Asian print as well with us. So I call also on Asian print. Market targeted to 77.30. System is good. Yes, say there is a bull separating line here. Okay, so it's powerful to me. But the only thing is volumes are not encouraging. The hammer here has got some body support as well. Sideways. So let's see. Look at this. Doji at monthly at 40 and this. Equity में buy करना तो buy करो इसको without any hesitance. It looks to be a good buy. See, monthly 40 support in a doji is really a good sign. And your stop loss is going to be very less. Low of this is going to be a stop loss. So weekly it can be bought in equity for a target of almost 30%. Okay, first target if you want can be 29, 28, 40. Then it can be 29 or 29.84, and then this. It looks really good. What is it? Daily? Oh, good bullish divergence at first target complete. So now buy for second target. ये भी अच्छा है, ये भी सही है. ये खाली 40 के नीचे है. Okay, so this is below 40. What is this? Let me see this. 31.79, 31.37. So there is no bullish divergence on daily. I think daily divergence and monthly at 40 looks good to me. Sixty resistance, 59.90. Started bandwalk. This is going to be coming. Swaycharts support. See, a pro gap bullish हरामी है. यहाँ पे नहीं है, ये यहाँ पे है. Pro gap हरामी. यहाँ पे ये 64 है close और इसका 62, so gap is not closed. So I'll avoid it. It's really good setup. Setup is looking good. Let's see. Okay, so I will avoid this trade for now. See IT now. So what of this I share. let's see TCS. Doji at gap resistance. See this. This is a huge gap here. Okay, and that is where we have Doji. It's a monthly 60 resistance. I would suggest short term. Suggest a short term. So the gap up. So 57 to so for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have. Let's see in feet. It's a new all-time high. This gap is the result. थोड़ा फिल करना उसके कोई ज़्यादा so simple. So crossover of 40. Need to assure because it's a price resistance. So need pharma. 5,000 so Germany. Happening. It's a resistance also. So we call IT, FMCG, auto, pharma, banks, corporate. So other pharma stocks, but Dr. Reddy does not seem to be the candidate. Let's see just one Sigla. 60 support by the way. ट्वेल्व और अपोजिट दिख रहा है ना तो मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ उसको all time high that can be a breakout. There is already 4-bar bearish divergence here. So you see what it does. Support is approaching 60, so I will let it cross for a 61 degree, then we can buy it. Maybe cross about this level. Registered on maybe is close to good buy. So okay, see what it does tomorrow. It's 40 September. The resistance is 15.5. Let it be close. Resistance. This. This. 40 crossover, but not convincing because there is another resistance of 20 and same here. Let's see some more fall. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Okay, that's it. Okay. So this is going to be it. I'll be available now. I'm still at Ashram till 7th of January. We'll have live again on 9th of Jan, okay, which is Sunday. I'll post it onto the group as well, right? And I'll be available for any queries in this week, right? So thank you all for letting me enjoy this once in lifetime opportunity at my ashram, and we'll be back in Mumbai from 7th or 9th of January morning, right? Depending on how the situation turns up due to the increasing cases right now, right? So everybody just stay safe, stay at home, and take care. And once again, a very happy New Year 2022.